I was sent this awesome guitar stand by my friends at STRICH in exchange for my honest review. So here it is. This thing is super cool. I've had all my guitars on little like pop-up stands, each individually placed in different spots. But once I put them on here, now I only have 4 guitars. I don't have 6. This holds 6, which is incredible. But once I put them on here, it looks so cool in my opinion. I just think this thing looks amazing. It's super easy to assemble. It comes with, they give you an Allen wrench because all the bolts are Allen wrench size. I recommend using a screwdriver with an Allen wrench attachment. That's going to save you a lot of time. Now, let's take a look at this. So they have 6. So there's on this side and then there's on this side. So these are matching. Of course, these can be removed. And I do have a travel guitar where it just has a strap and it doesn't fit around this. So I will pop this out, hang that here, and then pop this right back in place. So these will seriously hold any kind of guitar. Regular guitars though, they're just held here by the neck. You can adjust the height depending on how big or long your guitars are. So you just unscrew this. This will slide easily up and down like this. And for extra security, you have these pins that you can slide in to lock that exact location in place like that so that you never have to worry about it accidentally sliding down. Also, they come with these little pads so that you don't have to worry about the back of your guitar bumping up against the metal. These you can slide up and down, and there's 2 of them. So you can separate them if you want so that your guitar is going to be, these are foam by the way, so your guitars on both sides are padded on the back. This thing is pretty lightweight. It's easy to move around. It does not have wheels, so it's a stationary thing. You don't have to worry about it rolling around if you're performing on cruise ships or something like that. But if you're looking for a really good quality, good looking guitar stand for 6 guitars, I would highly recommend this.